Stop scrolling. You see that? That's not just a hat. That's a wearable masterpiece that looks hours of focus, a few meters of premium yarn, and a whole lot of flow. But here is the problem. You are making these incredible pieces and they are just sitting in a basket in your craft room. What if I told you that the difference between a hobby and a six-figure Etsy shop is simply how you package the inspiration? Today we are diving into the top crochet cap design that are trending right now on Shopify and Etsy. And I am going to show you exactly why these specific styles are add to cart magnets that get hooked. First up, let's talk about the texture. In 2026, flat stitches are out. Depth is in. We are seeing a massive surge in the alpine stitch and chunky waffle textures. Why? Because they are looking expensive. When a customer zooms in on Shopify store, they want to feel the warmth through the screen. If you are selling on Etsy, just remember your main photo is your storefront. Use high contrast lighting to let those ridges and a valley pop. Pro neutral tones like oatmeal, sage, and slate are currently outperforming neons in the luxury handmade category. It's all about the quiet luxury aesthetic. Now let's pivot to the trendy setters. If your target audience is Gen Z, you need to lean into the Y2K revival. Checkerboard bucket hats, cat ears, beanies, and oversized floral motifs are absolutely gone mine on TikTok and Instagram. These aren't just hats, they are outfit makers. While listing these, don't just call it a crochet cap, use keywords like retro, aesthetic, kitcore, and couture style. These tags are with bridge the gap between your craft room and a buyer's search bar. Notice the color palette here, think sunset orange mixed with bubblegum pinks. Let's talk about solving problems. The best selling item on Etsy often solves a specific struggle. Enter the messy bun beanies and satin line cap. These